Spinach is one of the fastest-growing, most nutritious vegetables you can grow at home, but it's also one that many gardeners struggle with. From plants bolting too early to leaves turning bitter, small mistakes can make a big difference. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know on how to grow healthy, productive spinach from start to finish. We'll begin by choosing the right variety, then cover temperature, sunlight, soil preparation, fertilizing, watering, spacing, maintenance, and finally when and how to harvest for the best flavor. Let's start with the foundation of success: choosing the right spinach variety. Spinach comes in several varieties, and each type has its own strengths. Savoy spinach has dark green, heavily crinkled leaves and is known for its excellent flavor and cold tolerance. This type is ideal for outdoor gardens in cooler climates and performs very well in spring and fall. Semi-Savoy spinach is a hybrid type with slightly wrinkled leaves that are easier to clean and more resistant to bolting. This makes it a great option for beginner gardeners. Flat leaf spinach, also known as smooth leaf spinach, has tender, smooth leaves and grows very quickly. It's commonly used for baby spinach and works especially well in containers or for quick harvests. Choosing a bolt-resistant variety is especially important if you live in a warmer climate or plan to grow spinach later in the season. Spinach is a cool season crop, and temperature plays a huge role in how well it grows. The ideal temperature range for spinach is between 45 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. It can tolerate light frosts and actually prefers cooler weather, which is why it grows best in early spring or fall. Once temperatures rise above 75 degrees, spinach will begin to bolt, sending up a flower stalk and turning the leaves bitter. In terms of sunlight, spinach grows best in full sun during cool weather, but in warmer climates it benefits from partial shade, especially during the afternoon. Providing some shade can significantly extend the harvest period and improve leaf quality. Healthy soil is essential for growing spinach with tender, flavorful leaves. Spinach prefers loose, well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. The ideal soil pH ranges from 6.0 to 7.0, which is slightly acidic to neutral. Before planting, it's important to work compost or well-rotted manure into the soil to improve fertility and moisture retention. Spinach has shallow roots, so compacted soil can restrict growth and reduce yields. Raised beds and containers work especially well because they allow better control over soil quality and drainage. Because spinach is grown for its leaves, it requires a steady supply of nitrogen. The best fertilizer options include compost, fish emulsion, balanced organic fertilizers, and nitrogen-rich amendments such as blood meal, used sparingly. Before planting, mixing compost into the soil usually provides enough nutrients to get seedlings started. Once the plants are established, feeding them lightly 2 to 3 weeks after germination helps encourage leafy growth. Additional feeding every 3 to 4 weeks can be beneficial, especially if the plants appear pale or slow growing. It's important not to over-fertilize, as excessive nitrogen can lead to weak, overly soft leaves and reduced overall plant health. Consistent moisture is key to growing tender, mild-tasting spinach. The soil should be kept evenly moist but never waterlogged. Deep watering 2 to 3 times per week is usually sufficient, depending on weather conditions and soil type. Allowing the soil to dry out can stress the plants, causing bitterness and early bolting. Applying mulch around the plants helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. Spinach grows best when its roots remain cool and consistently hydrated. Spinach grows best when planted directly from seed, as it does not transplant well. Seeds should be planted about ½ inch deep and spaced 1 to 2 inches apart. Once the seedlings emerge, thinning is essential to prevent overcrowding. Mature plants should be spaced about 3 to 5 inches apart to allow proper airflow and leaf development. If you are growing spinach for baby leaves, plants can be spaced closer together. When growing in containers, make sure the container is at least 6 to 8 inches deep and has good drainage, as standing water can quickly lead to root problems. Spinach does not require traditional pruning, but regular leaf harvesting serves the same purpose. Removing older or damaged leaves helps the plant focus its energy on new growth. Harvesting the outer leaves first while leaving the center intact encourages continuous production. Keeping the plants clean and well-maintained also helps prevent disease and pest issues. As long as the central growing point remains untouched, spinach will continue producing new leaves for multiple harvests. Spinach can be harvested at different stages depending on your preference. Baby spinach is ready to harvest about 20 to 30 days after planting, while full-size leaves are typically ready in 35 to 50 days. The best way to harvest spinach is to cut the outer leaves with scissors or garden shears, leaving the center of the plant intact. Harvesting in the morning provides the best flavor and texture as the leaves are crisp and well hydrated. Once the plant begins to bolt and form a flower stalk, the leaves will quickly become bitter, so it's best to harvest immediately or remove the plant and replant a new crop. Growing spinach doesn't have to be difficult. By choosing the right variety, planting in cool weather, maintaining healthy soil, and harvesting correctly, you can enjoy fresh spinach straight from your garden for weeks at a time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're growing spinach this season. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.